Conversation. Topic: How to introduce yourself. Words frequently used to being an introduction. Hi, hello, good morning. I want to introduce myself. I would like to introduce myself. Expressions frequently used to end a conversation. Glad to meet you. Nice meeting you. Pleasure meeting you. It was nice talking to you. Pleased to meet you. Read the model conversation given below. Work in pair with your friend. Prepare and present a conversation in front of the class. Model conversation. Geeta. Hi, I am Geeta. May I know your name? Deepa. Hello, my name is Deepa. Geeta. How old are you? Deepa. I am 8 years old. Geeta. Which class are you studying in? Deepa. I am studying in the fourth class. Geeta. Which school are you studying? Deepa. I am studying in St. Mary's School. Geeta. Where do you live? Deepa. I live at Sai Nagar Colony. Geeta. What is your father's name? Deepa. My father's name is Srinivas. Geeta. What is your mother's name? Deepa. My mother's name is Radhika. Geeta. Do you have any siblings? Deepa. Yes, I have two brothers. Geeta. What are your hobbies? Deepa. My hobbies are drawing and reading books. Geeta. Pleasure meeting you, Deepa. Deepa. Pleased to meet you, Geeta.